So the question that comes up to us a lot is, how do we carry our bikes? What bike rack do we use? So today we're going to be talking about this, a Swagman 3-bike RV bike rack. If that's something you guys are interested in learning more about, stick around and we'll talk all about it. Welcome back to Why Wait. So today we're going to be doing a little product review on the Swagman bike rack. The bike rack that we have is a 3-bike holder. Now I believe it's called the Swagman Original, and you can get this in a 2-bike rack carrier, 3, or it can hold up to 4 bikes. So just kind of depending on how many bikes you need. We travel with the 3-bike one. Now we've had this for maybe coming up on close to a year now, and we definitely put a few thousand miles on it. So I wanted to try it out, test it out, see how it is before I brought it to you guys and let you guys know what we think about it. By no means are we affiliated with Swagman. They did not send us this, or just not associated with them anyway. Overall, we've actually been pretty happy with it. I just want to talk a little bit about it, show it to you guys, show it how we install it, show you guys how we put the bikes on there, and all that good stuff. By the way, guys, we definitely appreciate it if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget, click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell. You always get notified every time we do videos. Let's go ahead and take it over to the back of the 5th wheel, and I'll show you how easy it is to put on or install it, and then we'll throw the bikes on there and just kind of give you guys some information about it, okay? So just slide this into your receiver, line the hole up, slide this in as far as it go, and then you're going to feel it hit, and now you just have to start threading it in. Now you're going to need either a 22 millimeter or possibly a 7/8 inch socket to get on here. So once you have your 22 millimeter socket or 7/8 inch, you're going to use a torque wrench. I just kind of hook mine up to the drill right here just to get it going, and just take a little bit of weight off the bike rack. Okay, once you have it threaded almost all the way in, I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off with my torque wrench and tighten it down here real quick. We got that torque down. Just simply put this little safety clip on there, and that's it. I mean, this isn't going to go anywhere anyways, again, because of the tension. It's threaded, it's torqued down in there, and I mean, I'm moving that as much as I can. There was no wiggle room, no play in here whatsoever. And this is what it kind of looks like standing away from it. I'd say it comes out about a foot from the bumper. Now we're going to take this top plate off. I'm going to show you guys how to load up the bikes and throw them on here. Real simple process to get these bikes on. We're just going to go ahead and unscrew these two right here because they come all the way off. Just take this top plate right off, and as you can see, it has a rubber material where the bike frame is going to sit. Pick the bike up, you slide it right over the bolts, you set it right in there so that it's balanced. So as you can see, they just slide in just like that. Next, we're going to take my little boy's bike, the smallest one. I like to put that in there next. We're going to put it in here the opposite way, and then last we're going to put Megan's bike on last. Then we're going to put the top back down on and cinch it tight. As you can see, we have all 3 bikes on here. Now, just a couple tips. You can see Megan's bike here has a small little area that this has to sit on. So you have to slide the bike up over to get on here. Now I have to put her bike on last because with this small opening, I cannot get the bike up and over these bolts, which by the way are fixed. They do not come out. So for me, if I wanted to put her bike on first, I can't get it up and over and move it to the last one. So that's something to check on depending on your bike. My bike has a real big opening here, and if you have a little boy's bike or a little girl's bike, you might run into the same thing. Corbin's little bike I have in the middle, and his opening was a little small too, but I still managed. So we just set this up here. All right, set it on there like so. Drop the bolts into the holes. You can see it's got the rubber on both ends here, and we're going to tighten that down and squeeze all these down at a time. I start spinning these on and tightening them up there, and I start putting some pressure down on that one until it cinches up a little bit. We're just gonna go back and forth until we got all these tightened down real nice and tight. Okay, we got that one down nice, tight. We got them both sealed up pretty good. That's it, guys. That's a Swagman RV bike carrier. Like I said, we got a few thousand miles on this thing. No complaints. It's held up well. Haven't lost any bikes yet. Anybody looking for a good RV bike carrier, something you can put on the back of your RV that's RV approved, RV safe, something you can also switch out, throw in your truck and your SUV, 2, 3, 4 bikes. Just a quick little video on the Swagman RV bike rack. If you guys are looking for something to throw in the back of your fifth wheel and travel trailers, definitely recommend this. Swagman also makes carriers for e-bikes. They have platform bike carriers, a couple different styles. You can go check them out. I believe you can check them out at swagman.com on their own website. I actually just got mine right off Amazon. I believe the 3 bike rack was $185. We've been really happy with it so far. Like I said, we have a couple thousand miles on it. No issues, no problems. So as always, thanks for stopping by and watching. We always appreciate it. And remember, get out there, start your full-time adventure, because why wait? We'll see you guys next time.